Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to join us at the online new product launch of Sustainable Textile Solutions on Recycling Waste, hosted by Taiwan Textile Federation, the TTF. I'm Angela Lu, your MC for today's event. This program is part of our annual TEPP project, commissioned by Taiwan's Bureau of Foreign Trade, Ministry of Economic Affairs, which selects Taiwan's premium textile companies and their innovative products to introduce to the international markets. The apparel industry makes an important part of the global economy. However, it also damages the environment excessively. Apparel production makes up 10% of the carbon emissions, dries up water resources, and pollutes the land with 85% of all textiles go to the dump each year. Taiwan's textile industry has strong knowledge and expertise on material innovations, which designs and creates sustainable fabrics using natural and recyclable materials with eco-friendly energy. Over the years, we have become the top choice of many international leading brands in going green. This year, TTF will introduce to you these prestigious Taiwanese textile companies in a 3-episode online new product launch program with different themes. In this month, we will be focusing on technologies that turn waste into fabrics. And then we will take you on a tour to see how textile companies turn their manufacturing process green. And finally, we will walk you through the latest concepts of circular fashion developed by leading textile manufacturers and how it transforms consumers' purchasing habits. In today's program, we have 5 companies to share with us their latest sustainable textiles and technologies that reduce the burden on our environment. For the first company, we have Far Eastern New Century, FENC. They are the world's second largest supplier of recycled polyester pellets, rPET, and is also one of the manufacturers of rPET textiles. They are a longtime partner with Coca-Cola, Nike, Adidas, and other name brands. With net zero carbon emission in mind, they further increase their recycled products and use new technologies that cut down the production of PET's raw materials to carbon negative. Let's take a look at how they managed to do it all.
Today, it's my pleasure to introduce Far Eastern New Century's TopGreen ChemCycle, which is a chemical recycling PET technology. Far Eastern New Century is a parent company of Far Eastern Group, which was established in 1945. Started as a textile downstream company, now we actually back integrated to polyester synthetic fibers and the raw materials. And Far Eastern Group have been expanded to a top conglomerate in Taiwan with 10 business sectors. Far Eastern New Century is a fully integrated PET polyester manufacturer. We started as a textile downstream, now back integrated to polyester middle stream and petrochemical upstream. We operate in many countries in Asia and the United States. We started the PET recycling business in 1988. Now we expanded to be the number 2 supplier of recycled PET in the world. In many categories, we are number 1, such as recycled polyester filament and the food-grade PET, also with recycled ocean plastics for shoe applications. Every year, we recycle more than 21 billion bottles in the world. That means we reduce the CO2 every year for more than 900,000 tons. Here's a video to show you how the TopGreen ChemCycle process is. There are still a lot of components hard to be recycled by mechanical methods. So we invented the chemical recycling process to recycle those unrecyclable wastes. FENC chemical method to recycle PET waste, which could be the labels of the bottles, color bottles, and textile material, such as polyester mixed with other. Chemical recycle process actually can recycle these materials to rTPA, then rPET resins, which could drop in to the current process production and make the same quality products. This is our FENC TopGreen ChemCycle process. We actually announced this TopGreen ChemCycle process in 2020 of the TITUS, which is the largest textile exhibition in Taiwan. This is the first all-in-one chemical recycling solution for the PET waste. We can make bottles or fabrics from those wastes again. This invention actually worked with the Coca-Cola bottlers Japan to make bottles and sell the beverages in Japan. This got award from the National Innovators Award and also the award from EPA of Taiwan. We are happy to announce this TopGreen ChemCycle process to bring to you and your product. You are welcome to contact us at our website, YouTube, or LinkedIn. We are happy to serve you to make the earth better. Thank you and hope to hear from you soon.
Next on the agenda, we have Foremost. Established in 1993, Foremost insists on making continuous innovation and integration of different materials to provide more eco-friendly synthetic leather options to their clients. They're most famous for their innovative vegan leather brand made from the fiber of one of Taiwan's most beloved fruits, pineapple. And this has attracted many international brands and designers who wish to develop environmentally sustainable products. Let's hear their amazing story.
Hi everyone, I'm Mei Li from Foremost Group. Our material brand NUPELLE was established to develop innovative and more sustainable materials. At the same time, being animal-friendly, not over-consuming, and low environmental impact are the things we care about the most. Today, the sustainable and upcycled materials we want to promote is Panex, which is our pineapple leather. The structure of this leather is composed like this, and then there are many advantages including non-toxic, washable and water-resistant, partially biodegradable, and zero waste. You may be interested to know why we choose pineapple leaves as an ingredient among so many other plants. This is because Taiwan is a large country producing pineapples. The annual production of up to 300 million pineapples. And the West pineapple leaves produced by these pineapples up to 280,000 tons. And these agricultural wastes are difficult to be buried and decomposed, requiring high cost to clean up, and in the past, farmers had to burn them, causing a lot of environmental pollution. So, this means that by recycling pineapple leaves, we can reduce agricultural waste and solve farmers' problems. And it can become a new source of income for farmers by reusing leaves that were thrown away in the past. In addition, we also found that pineapple fibers is relatively environmentally friendly compared to other fibers grown and produced. In terms of energy requirements, pineapple leaf fiber, cotton, hemp, and other natural fibers consume far less energy in their production than synthetic fibers. For carbon footprint, because pineapple leaves are agricultural waste, no additional water, electricity, or fertilizer are added during the production process. For the water footprint, as an agricultural waste, there is no additional water input. In the fiber extraction process, only water is currently used to clean chlorophyll and pectin from the surface. By recycling the pineapple leaf and creating this commercial value, we can achieve the free main sustainability goals set by the United Nations. Now, I would like to introduce you to our production, from fiber, fabric to leather. First, we do pineapple leaf collection, fiber extraction, and then we derive pineapple leaf fiber and waste pulps, followed by washing and drying. The fiber we get from the pineapple leaves will produce yarn and fabric with some additional finishing. The complete process will be spinning, weaving, processing, and finishing. And then it becomes pineapple fiber fabric. In order to achieve zero waste, the pulps generated during the fiber extraction process is recycled and mixed with eco-friendly adhesive and resins, and finally laminated with pineapple fabric to make this upcycled pineapple leather. These are the two international certifications that we currently hold for this product, which are the Global Recycling Standard and PETA certification. In addition, our FENC pineapple leather have also been patented. FENC is very suitable for making shoes, bags, clothes, and other products, and we are currently working with many designers and brands around the world. Okay, that's the end of my presentation. If you want to know more or actually experience our great materials, don't hesitate to contact us. I look forward to hearing from you all. Thank you.
For the next company, we have GFun. With over 20 years of experience, GFun is a leading manufacturer of breathable, waterproof textile in Taiwan. Over the years, they strive to make a difference by practicing circular economy with their products. They have obtained many important sustainable certifications and developed products that are green in every way. Let's take a look at what GFun has to offer.
Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Liu Zhang. Today I want to introduce about sustainable solution for green future from GFun Manufacturing. GFun was founded in 1999, which is devoted to manufacturing of waterproof with breathable fabrics. With different functional demands for our wear, GFun has all-around capability on fabric manufacturing. And to be a leading company in Taiwan, secondary processing happens in GFun. 35 million yards of coating and 20 million yards of lamination a year. Also, GFun combines this coating and lamination for different applications: skiing, climbing, running, bicycling on the ground, and surfing, diving, fishing for water sports involve GFun core technologies. GFun has a polymer center for R&D. All the works are not only study but also research, all such as chemical, material, engineering, assembling, and processing for textile. R&D's working materials are always thinking about recycle and reuse to follow GRS certificate. To be included in GFun, you can find different membranes applied. For example, PU, TPU, TPEE, and also PP membrane. Such we definitely know the functional core of our wear fabrics. Of course, GFun produces more than 10 million yards of membrane a year. In GFun facility has obtained important sustainable certifications and earned brand customers validation. GFun obtained Eco-Tex 100 and Blue Site certification, follow ISO 9000 operation, introduce peak index system. GFun also has a tablet. All tests with tester reports are impartial as same as from the party labs. Now we do know GFun do lots of manufacturing, and in mind we are thinking how to reduce waste after consumption. The data show waste of more than 2 billion tons and 40 million tons from clothing. The waste is growing and growing, forcing us to review what can we do. So the GFun is a part of Syntax Group to do our possible to let our discuss affect our environment less. To be clear as noble, as we can force our old garment back to facility, where that doesn't burn away or can be treated for raw material to reuse. In traditional process, raw material can be made through membrane and textile technology to become wool jacket. but finally, its kind of materials jackets are burned eventually. Think about it, everybody knows we should have a positive attitude for circular economy. But somebody recognizes the challenges from multiple materials. In chemical engineering words, we say materials need to go through separation and purification. However, we fail to recycling those outweigh apparels because different materials affect each other during the recycling process. The engineers are afraid to face this due to they know they are not same materials. We found the better way solution is OneShell, one material inside. GFAN are willing to move OneShell be a simple reality, inspiring consumers thinking about garment recycling when they made the problem of different material combination. As mentioned in reduction of carbon footprint, GFAN decided to start the beginning for textile materials design. GFAN provides total solution and gives you a platform without any recruit when you are willing to choose one material for outdoor apparel. If it weren't for your consideration, the right way OneShell, we wouldn't be able creating apparel recycling, especially in multi-layer fabrics. Not only polyester, but also nylon and polypropylene. GFAN has saved 32% in water consumption, 42% in electricity, and 47% in heat energy per yard of processing during 2021, when compared with 2020. All around products here, you can make it. GFAN will be a study leader to achieve a real circular economy. GFAN welcome you join us. Thank you.
Next up, we're going to learn how a textile manufacturer with over 40 years of experience made sustainability top guidelines in their practice. With factories in Taiwan and Southeast Asia, Libolon, a leading textile company, creates green products with sustainable synthetic raw materials and eco-friendly energy. Let's now welcome Libolon.
Hello everyone, this is Elsie. With the issues of water scarcity, CO2 emissions, textile waste, every textile manufacturer needs to step up and contribute in making better environment and society for the future generations together. Starting from the fundamental of sustainable practice, which is recycling, Libolon has the facilities to recycle such as post-consumer or pre-consumer material into recycled yarn and final outcome, recycled fabric. A part of the common technology of fabric recycling, we're proudly announced that we're starting a new sustainable recycling technology derived from garment or apparel bringing into the new sustainable fabric. Imagine how much of the waste and pollution create a huge impact on the climate change. Each year, textile of garment wastes amount are piling up and being burned or thrown into landfills. Thus, we believe either textile or garment recycling could play a key role in sustainable practices and principles in textile industry. On that account, in defining the best technology model, our research and development team started the initiation where the story begins from the trilogy of PES or polyester. Both yarn and fabric, Libolon recycled polyester products was generated from post-consumer material PET bottles with our marketing line RePET, and Polyplus recycled polyester material from pre-consumer compositions such as industrial wastes. Well, in addition to this, the recycled outcome of both RePET and Polyplus fabric or apparel could be recycled once more with the system CRZ after it was done conducting the decolorization method. Upon following CRZ, known as Closed-Loop Recycling Zero Waste System, Libolon is starting to operate garment recycling that contains polyester as well as to reproduce sustainable raw material and life cycle. With our access to the wasted garment, rather than resale to other countries and complicated recycling methods, we have successfully settled our technology terms through decolorization, CRZ, up to the polyester material outcome. Not to mention the advantages and limitations, Libolon CRZ is using less energy, adapting chemical reuse management, and excellent long-lasting durable physical properties along with the competitive price. However, the most possible garment to be recycled at once is applicable only for polyester composition and expected to have no coating or lamination post-finish application. Libolon has explored decolorization technique on fabric with printed artwork, heat transfer print, two-layer fabric, or the entire clothing, and will continue to seek all the possible chances onwards. Last but not least, we hope each of you not to have any worries as our CRZ have been audited and capable to deliver sustainable certifications. We're excited and couldn't wait longer to start our partnership, and let's bring the sustainable energy and actions on together toward the better future. Shall you have any questions, feel free to contact us and I'll see you next time.
Last but not least, we have Super Textile. This is a company that provides one-stop shopping service to their clients, from fabric design to the final product, using recycled and biodegradable materials because sustainable development is their #1 priority. And here's how they manage to do it all.
Good day, everyone. This is Constance Chang from Super Textile. Today, we would like to take this opportunity to show you one of our sustainable fabric, which made by pineapple leaf fibers. Super Textile had engaged in the field of pineapple leaf fiber application since year 2020. The vertical integration advantage we took from our efforts made us able to provide the eco-friendly, low-carbon traceability fabric to customers. The deep cooperation between the local farms with us enabled a stable mass production from spinning to knitting. Traditionally, pineapple leaves as agricultural waste is discarded or incinerated. Recycling pineapple leaves adds value to this waste and creates a new source of income for farming communities that relies on seasonal harvests. The discarded pineapple leaves at the field site have been transformed into new generation green raw material as an environment-friendly new economy. Pineapple is one of the most popular economic agricultural goods in the world. While the demand is low during pineapple growth, and it could be grown in bad, low water resource field. Besides, pineapple leaves biomass are easily collected due to most of them are grown in the plains, not in the mountains, where the transportation costs were soaring high. In addition, since pineapple leaves are agricultural waste, the carbon dioxide emission is zero. During the leaf decorticating process, the energy consumption, CO2 emission, and the use of water are much lower than hemp, cotton, and polyester. Super Textile had developed more than 10 kinds of products able to apply on bags, shoes, home textile, and garments, meet with the standard of REACH, ROHS, and the related testing for yarn and fabric. In addition to pineapple leaf fiber fabric, we are continuing to develop the textile from ocean waste and fabric waste to reach a better world with a lower environment impact from the textile industry is our mission forever. Let's work together to achieve this goal. Thank you for your kind attention.
Ladies and gentlemen, this concludes the first of the 3-episode online product launches. Thank you for joining in. To learn more about Taiwan's textile products, please subscribe and follow our live streaming and rerun on TTF's YouTube channel. For any questions or sample inquiries, please scan the QR code to leave your contact information. We will be in touch with you shortly after the event. Stay tuned for our upcoming programs on green manufacturing and circular fashion. I'm Angela Liu. See you next time.